Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by narrowing the concept and constraints so decisions don't multiply later. First, pick the repeat type and decide scale relative to fabric width. This affects visual rhythm and seam placement. Next, lock a 3-5 color palette and sample each at full and reduce saturation to ensure textile readability. Once done, collect reference images and note the fabric characteristics. Stretch. Print method, because these factors determine line weight and pattern density as you build. You now create and refine motifs, working at the final print size so scale decisions are accurate. Draw clean line work in vector or high-res raster, then compose elements inside the repeat tile, balancing positive and negative space to guide the eye. Once arranged, create mockups. Overlay motifs on garment templates or drape simulations. Make sure to test 1/4 and full-scale swatches to catch clutter or loss of detail before committing to color separations or screen. You finish by preparing production-ready files and running final quality checks to avoid costly mistakes. Export separated color files or a flattened PDF with crop marks at the printer's required resolution. Include bleed and registration. Then proof colors and print a repeat test on the intended substrate, adjusting contrast, trapping, and any seam match points. If the pattern misaligns or prints muddy, troubleshoot by simplifying details, boosting contrast, or switching to a more suitable print process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.